The millionaire mindset, it's closer than you think, becoming a millionaire. It sounds like a distant dream, doesn't it? Like something that happens to other people, but not to you. But here's the truth. It's possible for anyone, even you, to achieve financial freedom. It's not about winning the lottery or inheriting a fortune. It's about having the right mindset, making smart choices, and sticking to your plan. You might be thinking, Sousa, that sounds good, but is it really that simple? And the answer is yes and no. It's simple, but it's not always easy. It takes discipline, dedication, and a willingness to learn. But trust me, the rewards are worth it. Imagine a life where you're not constantly worried about money. A life where you can retire comfortably, travel the world, and pursue your passions without financial constraints. That's the power of becoming a millionaire. This isn't just about money, it's about security, freedom, and peace of mind. It's about taking control of your finances and your future. And I'm here to tell you, it's all within your reach. Dream it, plan it, achieve it, setting yourself up for success. The first step to becoming a millionaire is to believe it's possible for you. You need to have a millionaire mindset. This means shifting your perspective from scarcity to abundance. Instead of focusing on what you lack, concentrate on what you have and what you can achieve. Once you believe in your ability to become a millionaire, it's time to set clear financial goals. Don't just say, I want to be rich, be specific. How much money do you want to accumulate? By what age? Write down your goals and break them down into smaller, more manageable milestones. Having a plan gives you direction and motivation. It's like having a roadmap to guide you on your journey to financial freedom. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. So take the time to define your goals and map out your path to success. This is your life, your money, and your future. Take control, make a plan, and start building the life of your dreams. Money matters, practical steps to grow your wealth. Now that you have the right mindset and a clear plan, it's time to take action. Start by creating a budget. This doesn't have to be complicated. Just track your income and expenses to see where your money is going. Once you have a budget, you can identify areas where you can cut back on spending and start saving more. Even small changes like bringing your lunch to work or cancelling unused subscriptions can make a big difference over time. Next, it's time to put your savings to work by investing. Investing can seem intimidating, but it's not as complicated as you might think. There are many resources available to help you get started, such as financial advisors, online platforms, and educational materials. Remember, building wealth takes time and effort. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and don't get discouraged if you encounter setbacks along the way. Stay ahead of the game, lifelong learning for financial freedom. The world of finance is constantly changing. New investment opportunities arise, economic conditions fluctuate, and technology continues to disrupt traditional financial systems. To stay ahead of the game and adapt to these changes, continuous learning is essential. Read books, attend seminars, listen to podcasts, and follow financial experts. The more you learn about personal finance, investing, and wealth creation, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions and grow your wealth over time. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. By investing in your financial education, you're investing in your future success. So, stay curious, stay informed, and never stop learning. The more you know, the further you'll go on your journey to financial freedom.